In this video, I'll show you how to add Gmail in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account. Yeah, this is a Facebook account. And I'm going to show you how you can add Gmail in your Facebook account. So click on this profile. Once I've clicked on it, click on this settings and privacy. Wait for it to open. Wait for it to open. Then you click on this personal details. Yeah. Once you have clicked on it, you would wait for it to load. Then once this page has been displayed, the account center page, you would click on this personal details. I would have loved to click on it, but I won't love to disclose my phone number and my other personal details here, right? So this is how you can add Gmail in your Facebook account. What you need to do, once you have clicked on it, click on this profile. Once you have clicked on this profile, click on this personal details. Yeah, this personal details. Once you have clicked on it, it would open up. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.